There is a beauty in simplicity. So that's
Yeah.
one of the reasons we have said, hey, we're going to build as simple as possible that can scale for small organizations all the way to the enterprise organizations.
Yeah.
That's a goal of OpenMetadata, and we've been really successful with scaling it. We have many open source users using it at extreme scales. We have any open source using medium to small scale,
Mhm.
and it works. It fits for every organization.
So basically, you can do this however you want. We got the fastest way to do it. If you've got Kafka, need to use Kafka, you can have that in your pipe, but it certainly isn't providing a real time metadata infrastructure. There's too many stops in the road,
Yeah,
that's going to be introducing latency. And if you think you're putting it in because you're getting real time, you're
yeah,
you're misinformed, shall we say?
exactly. I mean, there is definitely a use case, right? So
Yeah,
this suffices because open metadata provides you so many things, right? The
yeah,
other side of the equation of open metadata, which is when the K table lands, when an anchor table lands, I want to publish in open metadata, great, but I also want to notify all the downstream consumers of this change. That's
mm,
what open metadata excels at. It takes in that change and tells the downstream consumers that, hey, Harsha is changing order underscore ID to order ID. You're on the users who are using the order underscore ID as your column in one of your reports, tables, dashboards, or whatnot. Please be aware of this change that's coming your way,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
It was great to spend some time on just this aspect of it and really illustrate, you know, what happens in that context. It's very easy. You see people running around going, "Oh, we're using Kafka, so now it's real time." There's a lot of details in there, maybe not so much.
yeah.
I've seen this before when people are talking real time.
Yeah, and the use case matters too, right?
Yeah,
A user ordering a trip requires a real time changes. A metadata change event also requires, but again, the use case there of that is Uber needs to enable probably 100 different services out of that particular real-time thing on downstream. When
yeah.
it's metadata change event, if you're putting the open metadata first, it will notify all the other changes. You don't need to worry about having yet another Kafka component there.